In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line graph style on Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust the look of your line chart so it communicates your data clearly and looks professional. Start by opening your workbook and making sure you already have a line chart on the sheet. With the chart visible, double-click any point on the line or the line itself. This action opens the Format Data Series pane on the right side of the screen. You'll know you've selected the series correctly if you see formatting options dedicated to the line and its markers. In the Format Data Series pane, focus on the line settings. You're looking for the section that controls how the line is drawn. Within those options, you'll see a control labeled Compound Type. This is where Excel lets you switch the overall style of the line, beyond simple thickness or color. Think of compound type as the blueprint for how many strokes make up the line and how they're combined: single, double, thick, thin, and similar variations. Click Compound Type to reveal the available styles. As you hover or select different options, watch your chart update live. Choose the style that best supports your message. For example, a single line is clean and minimal, ideal for straightforward trends. A thick, thin, or double line can help a primary series stand out when you're comparing several lines on the same chart. The key is readability. Pick a style that separates important data without creating visual clutter. Once you've set the compound type, take a moment to look at the chart as a whole. If your dataset has multiple series, repeat the same change for each one you want to match or intentionally contrast. Consistency across a chart often improves comprehension, but intentional contrast can guide the viewer's eye to the most important series. A few practical tips while you're here. Keep colors and line styles aligned with your brand or presentation theme, and make sure there's enough contrast against the chart background. If the line looks too busy after changing the compound type, consider using a simpler style and balancing emphasis with color or weight instead. And remember, if a change doesn't work, you can immediately undo it and try another option. When you're satisfied, click away from the chart to review the final look. Save your workbook to preserve the new style. That's all it takes to change a line graph style in Excel using the compound type setting: quick, clear, and tailored to your data.